Hi, lesson one of week 6. So we're going to take it a little bit slower. Exams cancelled, semester going to the end of June. So we're just going to do a quick quiz test of what you've done to date. So we have exactly 50 minutes available. So at 10:30 you'll be shut out. So hopefully you came to this a little bit earlier. We are marking our attendance. So we have week 6 and it's lesson 1. Then scroll down very quickly to the bottom where you'll have your genetics quiz. And as I say, as soon as you start, you only have the one attempt. So do that. And as I say, all the best. And we'll start the next section, which is looking at genetics, inheritance, traits, and punnets and so forth. Have a good day.